Third solution, this Narendra of Madras sent some piece of goods to Shankar. Means Narendra and Shankar. Narendra goods sent to Shankar. Okay, here Narendra is called as consignor and Shankar is consignee. Shankar, okay, Shankar is a consignee. Okay, Shankar is a consignee. In this one, Narendra of Madras sent some piece of goods to Shankar of Calcutta. Okay, we are sending goods to Shankar, Calcutta, and sold on behalf of Narendra. Shankar getting a commission, including delicatory commission. Delicatory commission, okay, is it is a commission to encourage the credit sales. Okay, to encourage credit sales. Okay, the commission is given for, okay, to encourage credit sales. Okay, credit sales by consignee. If it is delicatory commission is given Narendra to Shankar, then Shankar, whatever the Shankar bad debts, okay, cannot be paid by Narendra. Okay, that is a bad debts. Whatever the Shankar only sold goods, na? So whatever the Shankar sold, that is credit sales. Okay, if he sells any credit sales, so on that credit sales, is there any bad debts incurred? Okay, bad debts. Is there any bad debts? That is, a bad debts is not responsible for. Okay, not responsible to Narendra. Not responsible to Narendra. Okay, that is only the main important point. In this, Narendra is not responsible for bad debts because of he has given additional including additional commission, that is delicatory commission in this 10%. Okay, finally total percent consignee commission is a 10% on sales, that is total sales only. Next, the invoice value of the goods was 3 lakhs. The invoice value of the goods is 3 lakhs, that is a 3 lakhs is a invoice price here. Invoice price made up as cost plus 20%. Means this 3 lakh invoice value of the goods was 3 lakhs. Okay, in this cost plus 20%. Okay, means in this invoice price includes cost. In this includes cost plus loading price. Plus loading price. It is includes cost as well as loading price also. Okay. So that then only it is invoice price. But the whatever is the loading price, it is on cost. It is on cost. Okay. Next, Narendra spent 10,000 M forwarding charges. Okay, Narendra spent 10,000 for M forwarding charges. Okay, here somewhat the charges is spent by Narendra, that is 10,000 rupees. Narendra means here consignor. Narendra is a consignor. So consignor expenses is incurred up to 10,000 rupees. Next, Shankar paid the following, that is freight and cartage to go down, that is 30,000. Shankar paid. Shankar, who is Shankar? Consignee. Shankar is a consignee. Okay, now. So consignee expenses paid the following, that is freight and cartage and go down, that is 30,000. Stores 5,000. Insurance or go down expenses is 3,000. Okay, insurance or go down expenses is 3,000. Okay, so these are the 3 expenses. Total 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 3,000. Total 38,000. Next, at the end of the 3 months, Shankar reported that he had sold 4/5 of the goods for rupees 3 lakhs. 4/5 of the goods he sold for 3 lakhs. Means 4/5 of this 3 lakhs. Okay, whatever the goods sent on consignment value on this 3 lakhs, okay, whatever the 4/5 of the goods he sold for rupees 3 lakhs. Okay, and Shankar settled his account, prepare important ledger accounts in the books of Narendra. Finally, Shankar settled his account, means whatever the balance of Shankar, okay, he has settled. Okay, that is only the main important point. Okay. Next, finally, we should be prepare important ledger accounts in the books of Narendra. Okay, we should be prepare ledger accounts in the books of Narendra. Okay, that is only the important point. Okay, Narendra books only. No need to no need to pay any accounts in the books of consignee here. That is Shankar. Okay, only we can prepare ledger accounts in the books of Narendra. No need to write journal entries also. Okay, no need to write any journal entries also. So directly we can prepare the ledger accounts. Okay, already I have prepared all those ledger accounts. That is consignment account, Shankar account, and goods sent on consignment account. Okay, so first one we can complete this consignment account as per double entry. Okay, whatever the double entry system. Okay, this accounts follows the double entry system. No? That is one of the debit and credit. Okay, we can go for as per that one only. Okay, next Narendra of Madras sent some piece of goods to Shankar of Calcutta to be sold on behalf of Narendra. Okay, that is Shankar's getting commission including delicatory commission of 10% on sales. Okay, and the invoice value of the goods was 3 lakhs. First of all, this Shankar commission, so line by, we can go for line by line, that is including 10% of the commission. The sales rupees is 3 lakhs. The sales rupees is 3 lakhs. On these 3 lakhs, 10%. Okay, so whose expenses? That is Shankar expenses, that is consignee expenses. Okay, whatever the consignee expenses, simply you can write to his name, that is Shankar account. Shankar account. The amount is 3 lakhs sales, na? Not goods sent on consignment account, that is whatever the goods sold by consignee. Okay, that is a 4/5 of the goods he sold, na? So that is on this on these 3 lakhs. Okay, into 10%. Into 10%. 3 lakhs into 10%, that is 30,000. Okay, consignment account, it's very easy. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, should be follow this video. Next, Narendra of next one, the invoice value of the goods was 3 lakhs. Okay, invoice goods sent to that is a goods sent to consignor up to that is 3 lakhs rupees. So consignment account you can write to goods sent on consignment accounts, sent on consignment account, that is 3 lakhs rupees. Okay, that is 3 lakhs rupees. And we have written debit side now. So same amount you can write. Okay, credit side of goods sent on consignment account. Credit side of goods sent on consignment account. So the what can you write? That is consignment account. Consignment account. That is 3 lakhs rupees. Okay, that is only the double entry system. So in one account we have written debit and another account we have written credit. Okay, like this you can follow the double entry system. So in consignment account we have written debit side to goods sent on consignment account, and goods sent on consignment account we have written credit side by consignment account. Okay, like this you can post prepare the ledger accounts. Next, next 3 lakhs made up as cost plus 20%. Okay, this we will see later on. Okay, so we should be divide invoice price. Okay, to we should be compute the cost price plus cost price and loading price for computation of consignment stock. Okay, computation of consignment stock and loading prices, so and so. Next, Narendra spent 10,000. Okay, that is forwarding charges. Okay, so forwarding charges, na? Forwarding packing. Okay, forwarding packing charges 10,000 rupees. It is who is spent, that is Narendra. Narendra is a consignor. Consignor expenses. Is there any expenditure is spent by consignor? Simply you can write consignment account debit side to bank account. To bank account. The amount is 10,000. Small. Okay, you can write like that, expenditure, to know that. Okay, if you written bank account, that is consignor expenses. If you written so and so name, that is consignee expenses. Simple one. Next, Shankar paid the following expenses. Shankar paid the following expenses, that is freight and cottage to go down, that is 30,000. Okay, 30,000. Okay, this 30,000 is spent by Shankar. Shankar account. Whatever he spent, that is expenses. Okay, expenses. That is, what is his expenses? Total 30 plus 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 3,000, total 38,000. Okay, 38,000 Shankar paid as an expenses. So whatever is the expenses, we have written debit side now. So that is a simple one. We can write credit side in the, that is consignee account. Okay, credited to then double entry system is completed by consignment account. Consignment account, that is 30,000. This is for expenses. Here also you can write expenses. That is, next one you can write again, that is, sorry, it is commission. Commission. It is also commission. Okay. Next, by consignment account. It is expenses. The expenses is 38,000. 38,000. Okay, like that you can post the debit as well as credit. Okay, you got a doubt, that is we have written only one time only, that is consignment account debit side to bank account. Means here we cannot prepare any bank account. If you are prepare any bank account, then we should be okay write in the bank account credit side also. Here we no need to prepare any bank account. Okay, next one. After his expenses up to 38,000, at the end of the 3 months, Shankar reported that he had sold 4/5 of the goods for 3 lakhs. Okay, so Shankar sold. Shankar means here consignee. If it is consignee sold, okay, then it is income now. Simply you can credit it by Shankar account. By Shankar account. That is, he sold the goods up to 3 lakhs. That is sales. So we have written debit credit side in the consignment account, and again you can come to consignee account and write debit side to consignment account. Consignment account, that is sales 3 lakhs. Okay, that is only the main point. Next one, Shankar settled his account, prepare important ledger accounts and so on. So whatever the transactions is given in the question, fully we are fulfilled, we have written in the ledgers. Okay, except this is cost plus 20%, except that cost plus 20%. So we can divide it. So before first of all, we should be close all those accounts. Before closing these accounts, we should be compute. Okay, so we should be compute consignment stock, that is first one. Okay, and after that, whenever it is given a loading price and so on, okay, loading price, then we should be compute the loading price. What is the loading price on goods sent on consignment account, and whatever is the consignment stock also includes loading price, that is the loading price we should be debited to consignment account. Okay, and whatever the loading price in the goods sent on consignment account, okay, we have written credit side, that's we should be debited to goods sent on consignment account. Okay, that should be debited to goods sent on consignment account. Okay, like this we can prepare it for computation of this one. So it is mentioned that cost plus 20%, cost plus 20%, once you can see. So it is cost plus profit, then it is, so that is loading price here, loading price, here it is loading price, cost plus loading price equal to invoice price, cost plus loading price equal to invoice price. Okay, so it is mentioned that cost plus 20%, means here cost is 100, means whatever the 20% on cost. Okay, if you have any doubts in this one, so already I have prepared, this is a on cost on sales video. please be okay, watch that video also. Okay, then it is clear about this. Okay, so here it is mentioned it's cost plus 20%. Here it is on cost is a 100, and loading price is a 20%. I have given out not I have given in percentages but not amounts. Okay, should be remember. Then it is cost plus loading price, which is equal to invoice price. Now it is 120. Okay, invoice price 120. In this question also, it is clearly it is mentioned that invoice value of the goods was 3 lakhs. Okay, means this 3 lakhs is the invoice value. Okay, invoice value, that is invoice price of the goods 3 lakhs, and invoice price percentage is 120. Okay, now we should be compute loading price. Okay, we should be compute loading price. What is the loading price included in this? Okay, so then we should be compute cost as well as invoice price also. For it is a invoice price of the goods, invoice price percentage also 120. Then 120, which is equal to, it is 3 lakhs. 120, which is equal to 3 lakhs. Then what about for cost, or what about for loading price? Okay, so if you want cost, then what about for 100? Then 100 divided by 120 into 3 lakhs. Okay, which is equal to it is 2,50,000. Okay, it is 2,50,000 rupees. 2,50,000 rupees. Next one. So this is cost. Next, loading price. If you want to loading price, same as for 120, which is equal to 3 lakhs. And what about for 20? If you want loading price, then okay, it should be divisible with 20. Okay, then what is the loading price? Then 20 divided by 120 into 3 lakhs, which is equal to 50,000. This 50,000 is loading price. Okay, next one. Whatever it is including loading price in this goods sent on consignment, okay, simply you can create it. Okay, simply you can credit it to consignment account, that is buy goods sent on consignment accounts. Goods sent on consignment account, that is 50,000. Okay, loading, that is loading price. Okay, like this you can create it. Okay, next one. So we should be compute closing stock. Okay, that is closing consignment stock, that is calculation of consignment stock. Simple calculation, that is consignment stock includes, okay, we can calculate it in the next page. Calculation of consignment stock, that is particulars and the rupees, and the particulars rupees, amount in rupees. Okay, so that is with including invoice price of the stock. Okay, including invoice price of the consignment stock. Okay, including invoice price, that is cost of consignment stock. Okay, because of this is whatever the goods sent on consignment. Okay, that is as per that. Okay, treated as a cost. Okay, then it is invoice price. Okay, or otherwise remove the cost, that's better. Okay, next, consignment stock includes invoice price, that is 3 lakhs into, say goods sent on consignment is 3 lakhs into, so he sold 4 by 5, 4/5 of the goods. Okay, consignee Shankar sold, so remaining is 1 by 5. Okay, that is 1 minus 4 by 5, which is equal to 1 by 5. So how to calculate means, out of total 5 parts, from 5 parts, okay, he sold up to 4th parts. Okay, remaining 1 part still it is remaining out of 5 parts. Okay, that is only the 1 by 5. Okay, so 3 lakhs into 1 by 5. Now we can calculate 1 by 5. Okay, so 3 lakhs into 1 by 5, which is equal to 60,000. Okay, whatever the goods sent on consignment stock value is. Okay, goods sent on consignment stock value is including this 60,000. With this you can add what is non-recurring expenses. Non-recurring expenses. In this non-recurring expenses, we should be added consignor and consignee. Okay, here it is consignor expenses is a Narendra expenses. Okay, Narendra expenses is packing and freight charges is there, that is 10,000 rupees. Okay, that is 10,000 rupees, already that is in the question. Okay, 10,000 rupees is spent for packing. So that is the packing charges, we should be divisible. Okay, multiplied with 1 by 5, because of stock also there is 1 by 5. 10,000 into 1 by 5, 2,000. Okay, and also consignee non-recurring expenses, that is Shankar expenses. Shankar expenses, that is freight and cartage. Freight and cartage is a, what is the amount? Freight and cartage and go down 30,000. That is 30,000 multiplied with 1 by 5, means freight and cartage also non-recurring expenses. Okay. Okay, 6, that is 6,000. So total is 68,000. Okay, the stores and insurance for go down, it is a non-recurring nature of the expenditures. Okay, insurance to go down is a non-recurring expenditure. Okay, non-recurring nature of the expenditure. So we should not add to. This is consignment stock. Okay, simple. Hence, whatever the consignment stock, value is 68,000. Consignment stock value is 68,000. That is the 68,000. Simply you can credit it to consignment account. Okay, that is by consignment stock account, 68,000. Okay, now we should be remove the whatever the loading, included loading in the consignment stock. Okay, so this is the invoice price now. Already we have taken invoice price. Okay, so it is includes 60,000 includes invoice price, means it is includes loading price. That is the loading price we should be remove from this one. Okay, so for computation of the loading price, so already here we have computed, that is a cost price and loading price. Okay, this is a 50,000 is a loading price na? Okay, loading price is a 50,000. Okay, that is a loading price. Calculation of loading price in consignment stock. Consignment stock. Okay, consignment stock value. Okay, so actually loading price, total loading price is 50,000. This out of 50,000, the sales is sales unsold. So for sales it is transferred 4 by 5. For unsold it is 1 by 5, simple one. So we require unsold value now, that is consignment stock. Okay, so unsold value is 1 by 5th unsold stock, then 50,000 into 1 by 5, which is equal to, that is 10,000. This is the 10,000 of the unsold stock. Okay, this is the 10,000 included consignment stock. Okay, this is the loading price included in consignment stock. Simply you can write debit side in the one to consignment stock account loading. Okay, that is 10,000. Okay, like this you can compute. Okay, consignment stock. So now compute the difference values. Compute the balance values of the ledgers. Then in this consignment account, 3 lakhs plus 68,000 plus 50,000, which is equal to 4,18,000. Next, if you deduct the debit to profit and loss account, whatever it is, so anyhow debit side only the less, no? So you can transfer profit and loss account, whatever the balance transfer to profit and loss account, that is difference value and then 30,000. Okay, 30,000, that is a balancing figure. And next you can close the consignee account. Okay, consignee account. So whatever the balance, it's in this question it's clearly mentioned, that is settled. Okay, Shankar settled his accounts. So whatever the balance of the Shankar, he cleared it. Okay, he paid whatever the balance. Then whatever the balance you can write as a by bank account or cash account. Okay, so it is 3 lakhs. Debit also 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs minus 68,000 is equal to 2,32,000. He settled it. That is the balancing figure. Okay, and also close the goods sent on consignment account. So whatever the loading price included in the goods sent on consignment account, we have written credit side in the consignment account. Okay, credit side in the consignment account. So now you can debit it to consignment account. Consignment account, that is loading. What is the goods sent on consignment includes 50,000. That's 50,000, you can debit it. And whatever the balance in the goods sent on consignment account, simply you can transfer to trading account. Okay, the difference is 3 lakhs minus 50,000 to trading account 2,50,000. In this account, this balancing figure is trading account. Okay, like this you can compute the goods sent on consignment account. Okay, yes. If you have any doubts, okay, if you have any doubts in this consignment account or any other chapters, okay, contact or WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 74168622622 78. Okay, you can WhatsApp this number. Okay, I can try to clarify this your doubts, and if you want any more explanations or more questions, you can send me the question. Maximum I can try. I can make a video and I can send to you. Okay, and if you have any doubts, comment in this session. Okay, 99% I can clear your doubts also. Okay, thank you.